आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे बेन जॉनसन का बायोग्राफी एंड इम्पोर्टेंट वर्क। ठीक है, बायोग्राफी एंड वर्क पढ़ेंगे। बेन जॉनसन 1572 टू 1633 इसका टाइमलाइन है। बेंजामिन जॉनसन was an English playwright and poet whose artistry exerted a lasting impact upon English poetry and stage comedy. Poetry and stage comedy. He worked as bricklayer like his stepfather. In 1616, Johnson received a yearly pension of 100 marks, about $60, leading some to identify him as England's first poet laureate. He served as a soldier in Flanders Low Countries, became an actor and playwright with Low Country in 1597. As an actor, Johnson was the protagonist Geronimo in the play The Spanish Tragedy by Thomas Kyd, the first revenge tragedy in English literature. He was imprisoned for writing the satirical play The Isle of Dogs 1597. He killed a fellow actor Gabriel Spencer in duel, escaped the accusation with his wit in 1602. In 1605, he was imprisoned third time for his work with John Marston and George Chapman on Eastward Ho. Next point है, he wrote masque for private performance in King James Court. Next point है, Epigram and the Forest are the poetic collection by Ben. He quarreled bitterly with Lingo Jones, his stage designer, and also quarreled with Marston and Decker in War of the Theatres. Every man in his humor made him a celebrity. He was literary director at the Mermaid Tavern. He was buried in Westminster Abbey with epitaph, "O rare Ben Jonson, O rare Ben Jonson." He was buried in Westminster. इसको दफनाया कहाँ गया? वेस्टमिनिस्टर में, वेस्टमिनिस्टर अबे में। और एपिथाप इसका कब्र के ऊपर अंकित है, "ओ रेयर बेन जॉनसन." The work of Johnson appeared in folio format in 1616. Enrolled on Ben Jonson. Enrolled wrote a poem on Johnson entitled An Ode to Ben Jonson. It starts with, "Ah, Ben, say how or when shall we the guests meet at those lyrics feasts made at the Sun, the Docks, the Triple Turn." Enrolled also wrote a book, The English Poet, Ben Jonson to Dryden. Alexander Pope said, Johnson brought critical learning into work. By 1597, he was writing for Philip Honsel's theatrical company. In the same year, Honsel asked Ben to finish Thompson's The Isle of Dogs, now lost, and Johnson was jailed for it. Like Donne, he revolted against the artistic conventions of the age. He employed the humanist ideal of close imitation of the classics. The third collection of poetry, Underwood, appeared posthumously in the 1640 edition of his works. Johnson, in his Everyman, out of his Humor 1599, described two kinds of humors, true humor and adopted humors. Dryden called the latter plays of Johnson as dotaques, as they were not well received. Dryden on Johnson. If I would compare him with Shakespeare, I must acknowledge him the most cracked poet, but Shakespeare the greater wit. Shakespeare was the Homer or father of your dramatic. Poet Johnson was the Virgil, the pattern of celebrated writings. I admire him, but I love Shakespeare. An essay of dramatic poesy. T.S. Eliot on Ben Jonson. T.S. Eliot, Ben Jonson. The reputation of Johnson has been of the most deadly kind that can be completed upon the memory of great poet. Johnson failed as the tragic dramatist. Johnson is the legitimate heir of Marlowe. Johnson's work is of the surface, careful, avoiding the word superficial. Johnson's behaved as the great creative mind that he was. He created his own world, a world from which his flowers as well as the dramatists who were trying to do something wholly different are excluded. Comedy of humors. Comedy of humors, it is a technique of characterization used by Ben Jonson. In this technique, an individual is marked by own characteristic distortions or eccentricity based on one of the humors. फोर humors. पहला है ब्लॉड और सेग्विन, सोशोइबल एंड प्लेजर सीकिंग. दूसरा है फेलिगम, रिलैक्स्ड एंड यूनिक. तीसरा है फ्लोर और येलो वाइल एम्बिशियस एंड लीडर्स लाइक्स. चौथा है मेलंकली और ब्रेक बाइट, इंट्रोवर्टेड द एंड थ्रूटफुल. इंट्रोवर्टेड एंड थ्रूटफुल. इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क बेन जॉनसन. बेन जॉनसन का इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क देख लेते हैं. एवरी मैन इज हुमर. एवरी मैन इज हिज हुमर 1598. नेक्स्ट है एवरी मैन आउट ऑफ हिज हुमर्स 1599. नेक्स्ट है सिंथिया रिवेल 1600. नेक्स्ट है द पोएटेस्टर 1601. नेक्स्ट है ये फुल ऑफ विसिटी एंड फन. नेक्स्ट है वॉलपेन द फॉक्स 1605. इंपॉर्टेंट है वॉलपेन. नेक्स्ट है इपिसन और द साइलेंट ओमेन 1609. नेक्स्ट है इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क द अल्केमिस्ट 1610. इंपॉर्टेंट है द अल्केमिस्ट 1610. बैथलुइन फेयर. नेक्स्ट है लेस पावरफुल. नेक्स्ट है द डेविल इज एन आस. नेक्स्ट वर्क है द स्टेफल ऑफ नीस. द स्टेपल ऑफ नीज, द टेले ऑफ द कैटलिन हीज कॉन्स्पिरेसी ट्रेजेडी है ये. इसका वर्क है ये कैटलिन हीज कॉन्स्पिरेसी ट्रेजेडी है. नेक्स्ट वर्क है सीजुअन्स हिज फॉल, ये भी ट्रेजेडी है. एस्टवर्ड हो along with Morrison and Chapman. The Protester song to Celia, The Magnetic Land. ठीक है.